Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to find the SWIFT code for Sparkas Bank. Sparkas is a bank from Germany, but it also has branches in other European countries. First, go to your browser and open Google. In the search bar, type Sparkas SWIFT code, followed by the country name, for example, Germany, Austria, or Norway. To make it easier, you can also add Y's at the end of your search, like Sparkas Germany Swift Code Y's. Click on the first link that appears, usually from the Wise website. Once the page opens, you'll see the SWIFT or BIC code for Sparkas in that country. You can copy it directly and use it wherever needed. For example, for international money transfers. And that's it. That's how you can quickly find the Sparkas Bank SWIFT code online. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.